Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix random restart issue with Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your phone randomly restarted by itself, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to go to your settings here and go to device care option, select device care, select memory from here, and just clean junk files from your memory. You might see your junk files here. Just click on clean now. So it will clean all the junk files you have in your phone memory. So once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to apps, and here just look for all installed apps. Here you have to check for any unknown app. So if you might see any unknown or suspicious app, so you can try to search that app from your Google, because sometimes it might be that you don't know about any system apps. So here's a system app, so you have to search this from Google. Or if you need see here any unnecessary and suspicious app, so you can try to uninstall that app, because sometimes it might be that there will be any pirated app or any junk file installed on your phone which might have this type errors. So you have to clean that app from your phone. After that, you can try to make a force restart. Now for make a force restart, just press and hold your volume down and power button at the same time for almost 5 to 15 seconds, so until you see the black screen here. Once you see the black screen, you have to wait for the Samsung logo, which might take almost 5 to 10 seconds. Once you see the black Samsung logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So it will make a forced restart with your phone, which might take more time than usual. So once your phone has been forced restarted, your issue must have been fixed. So once your phone has been restarted, now you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry to use your phone to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, but if it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to check for your hardware, like your battery, if there will be any physical damage with your battery. So you can try to change your battery, or you can also try to fix your phone's battery. Or if there is no any physical damage with your phone's battery but you're still facing the same issue, go to your settings app here, just scroll down, you must see general management, select this option, then select reset, and then select reset all settings. Click on reset settings again, and then click on reset to confirm to reset all your settings. It will not delete any kind of your data. It will just really reset all your system settings to default. After that, your issue might have been fixed. But if you're still facing the same issue, just click on factory data reset, so it will clean everything from phone, including your apps, accounts, your data, your photos, videos, documents. I recommend you have to take a backup of everything and then click on this reset and confirm to delete everything from your phone. And once you have done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.